Good morning, everybody. Today we will continue the problems on rivets. So today also I will solve the problems on type 1 only. So what do you mean by type 1? As I said, so I have made it into 3 types. Yavyadu type 1, type 2, type 3. So type 1 problem how you can understand by looking at the problem is that TDP. TDP, thickness, diameter of a rivet, as well as P for pitch. Pitch of the rivet is given. At the time you can easily understand that yes, it is of type 1 only. So I will take the question number 6 of 5th semester design of machine elements question bank. So this is a question bank which I have in my hand. So refer that 6th question. Let me read once again. A single riveted double cover butt joint. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ? What he said? Single riveted double cover butt joint. Given data. Single riveted double cover butt joint. Double cover butt joint. Correct? Single riveted double cover butt joint is made in 10 mm thick plates. So the arrangement of rivets is single riveted double cover butt joint ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So butt joint, as you know, butt joint ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ. So suppose if this is a plate, this is one more plate which I would like to join by means of a rivets. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು ಬಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್. So ಈ ತರ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಕವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬಂತು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಕವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So arrangement of rivets is also given here. So before that let me write thickness of a plate, that is thickness is how much? 10 mm. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹೌದಾ? ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ವಿತ್ 20 mm diameter rivets ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. 20 mm diameter. So diameter of rivets is 20 mm. 20 mm rivets with the pitch. Pitch is 60 mm. Pitch. See, while writing the notations, you can write it as a small p. Why? Because capital P it means normally we are taking it as a pressure. So that's why take it as a small p. Pitch is given. Calculate the efficiency of the joint. Please concentrate. While listing out the given data, the unknown things, the things to be calculated is also very important data from the subject problems point of view. So they can calculate the efficiency of a joint is, he says efficiency is theta is unwanted ungiven data it is, we have to calculate it. Okay, if allowable tensile stress is given, tensile stress ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? sigma t is 100 MPa and compressive stress is 160 MPa. So let me rewrite this in terms of mega newton per meter square. 100 mega newton per meter square and this is 160 mega newton per meter square. And what else given? Shear stress now is 80 MPa. 80 mega newton per meter square is given. Please concentrate. Before we solve, let me draw the rough diagram of this rivet arrangement, that is single riveted double cover butt joint. As I said, this is So here I would like to join these two, one plate 1, plate 1 and plate 2. Number of rivets is single riveted. Single riveted, correct? Single riveted. So try to concentrate on only one part. You can concentrate either on this side or on this side. So here, if you look at this, only one row is visible, correct? That's why we have to take it as a single riveted. Adamale double cover. Whether double cover is made? Yes, double cover is there. And butt joint. This is a butt joint. Butt joint antare nodi idon plate, idon plate. So two plates are there which are joined by means of a double riveted, double cover. Okay. So now we have to please concentrate on the number of single shares and number of double shares. Okay. As I said, for a double cover butt joint, especially for double cover butt joint, there is no question of any single share. Single share agude illa. Single share andreno ee ತರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. Suppose this is a rivet and the rivet cuts like this. Single, it is a sketch of a single share. Single share ಅಂದ್ರೆ once ee ತರ ಕಟ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ it divides it into two equal pieces. So single share ilve illa. So that's why what we can take, n1 is equals to 0. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ n2 is how much? Now n2 means what? Number of rivets in double share. Double share ಆಗ್ತಿರುವಂತ ರಿವೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? only 1. So don't think that it is 2. ಇದು 2 ಅಲ್ಲ, 1 ಇದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ n1 we can take it as 1. This is also coming under given data. So why? Because the sentence is given. So let us move on to the problems. Solution. So as soon as you get these informations, he ultimately asks you to determine the value of eta, correct? So eta anta barbeedi. Eta is equals to equation enide? Eta the equation eno? Refer the data and book. First and foremost thing is ultimately what we have to calculate. What is the equation number? Page number ಎಷ್ಟು? Page number ಹುಡುಕುದಂಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಮರ್ಸ್, ಡೇ ಡ್ರೀಮರ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. rivets, refer the index in the page number 79. We have to search the page number 79 here. Okay. So eta na ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? n1 plus 1.875 n2 pi d square tau whole divided by what? 4 pt sigma t. Correct? Is that right? See here, if you want to calculate this eta, we should have calculated pt, ps, pc and pt, ps, pc, ps we have to calculate. So therefore we can calculate one by one. That is pt. Equation, what is the equation for pt? Pt is equals to what? So this equation number you can write 5.7. Equation number 5.7 and page number is 80. Correct? pt is equals to p minus d. P minus d into P sigma t. Substitute the values directly. P ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? Pitch 60 mm minus diameter is 20 multiplied by thickness is 10 mm into sigma t ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? 100. ಹೌದಾ? pt ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? So don't use a calculator here. It's a common sense. 60 minus 20 ಎಷ್ಟು? 40. ಹೌದಾ? 40 into 10 raised to 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ 40 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 10 raised to 1 10 raised to 2 10 raised to 3 10 raised to 3 newtons correct even you can write in terms of 40 kilonewtons don't write anything first you listen carefully second equation you have to calculate PC okay you will calculate PC what is that N1 Ti plus N2T ಹೌದಾ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ D sigma c here N1 since it is 0 therefore I can neglect ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ I will not write ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ actually how you ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಲಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ x plus 4 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 4 is multiplied with x ಹೌದಾ plus 4 is again multiplied by y ಇದೇ ತರ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಇದು 0 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ this d into sigma c is normally 0 therefore I will neglect it okay therefore ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ n2 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ 1 multiplied by thickness is 10 multiplied by diameter is 20 and sigma c is how much 160 therefore PC is equals to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ please calculate ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು answer what is the answer 32 into 10 raised to 3 newtons correct okay so third one we have to go for calculating this PC is over PS we will calculate so what is the equation so please concentrate don't forget to write the equation number page number is must equation number is 5.6b page number 80 and here PC is 5.6e 5.6e okay page number 80 and now PS we have to calculate PS equation ಏನಿದೆ N1 plus 1.875 N2 into pi d square by 4 into tau ಹೌದಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದು 5.6 ರೆಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೌದಾ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ n1 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 1.875 multiplied by n2 is 1 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ multiplied by 5 d square ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ 20 square by 4 into ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು tau is 80 ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2-3 ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ 1 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 20 square multiplied by 80 bracket close whole divided by ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 only one number is that 4 ಅದಕ್ಕೆ there is not necessary to use again open bracket and close bracket on the denominator side ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಟಾಫಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು everyone should get the answer in your calculator ಬಂತೇನೋ ಬರಬೇಕು so if you get more than 4 digits press ENG button ಎಷ್ಟು 47 ಬಂತೇನೋ ಗಣೇಶ ಅಂತ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 12 into 10 raised to 3. So after all these things we should go for the eta values. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ erase ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So ultimately after getting all these values what we should do, eta is equals to, again you write eta is equals to n1 plus 1.875 n2 ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು 5 ಅಲ್ವಾ, 5 d square by 4 sorry 4 ಇಲ್ಲ tau whole divided by ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು 4 p into thickness into sigma t ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. equation number you can use again this one. eta is equals to n1 ಏನಿದೆ 0, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ neglect it 1.875 into 1 bracket close multiplied by pi into d is how much 20 ಅಲ್ವಾ, 20 square into tau is 80 na 80 whole divided by ಏನಾಯ್ತು 4 into pitch ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ 60 into thickness ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ 10 mm into sigma t is how much, sigma t ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 100. so ಇದನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ divided by two more numbers, more than one number, ಆವಾಗ use the bracket on the denominator side and close it. Pen don't copy on the notes, before that understand and later on you can take down on your notes. eta ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 0.78 ನೋಡಿ. eta efficiency ಅಂದ್ರೆ always be multiplied by 100 multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 78.53. very simple calculations. eta is 78.53%. so this is how you can solve the problem. ಹೌದಾ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನ್ರಾ? ಬೇಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. so you can note down now. so now let me move on to the next problem of question bank. so in that question number 5, problem number 5, please concentrate on the problem number 5. so let me read out, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, syllabus open ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, syllabus open ಮಾಡಿ, let me read out. Two plates 16 mm thick. so I will write the given data also. I will write the given data here. 16 mm thick ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, 16 mm thick plates are joined by double riveted lap joint ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. double riveted ಏನಿದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, double riveted one minute. double riveted lap joint ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. double riveted lap joint. the pitch of each row of rivets is 90 mm. pitch ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ್ರ 90 mm. so pitch is 90 here, 90. okay, pitch is 90 here. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ the rivets are 25 mm diameter. rivets diameter ಎಷ್ಟು 25 mm diameter. take allowable tensile stress in the plate is 140 MPa. allowable tensile stress 140. compressive stress 240. okay, and shear stress is 110. is given. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Find the efficiency of the joint. Same problem. So I will give it to you. You have to solve and submit as a assignment. Okay. So let me draw the sketch before you take this problem. In ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ, two plates are joined by a double riveted lap joint. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದೆ, so ಇದೊಂದು ರಿವೆಟ್ ಬಂತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಡಬಲ್ ರಿವೆಟೆಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತು, ಇದು ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ? 2 rows. Whether they are undergoing for a shear stress or a single shear or a double shear, it is single shear. So therefore we have to take it as N1. N1 is 2. And what about N2? N2 is 0 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? N1 is 2. Number of rivets in single shear is 2. What about N2? N2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ number of rivets in double shear. ಡಬಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಗಳು ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಯು. ಇದನ್ನ ಇದೇ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಸ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ this topic. So in the next video I will start type 2 problems. Okay, thank you.